go. Generous again. Only you, yeah, ladies, only you can make me feel just like a king. Love you give to me so real, makes me feel. Listen, girl, just like me, just the skin you know, spoil me, fix a bill. General to the building. Only you can make me feel just like a king. Love you give to me so real. Are you ready? Girl, just like me, get to sleep, you know. Spoil me. If it's a better life, fight for you. Surely will. To prove to you my love. So deep within. See, forget it deeper. Since I reach myself, longing for. My baby to love me. What was it? What am I longing for? And my baby to love me more. What am I longing? Can we see each other again? Can we see each other again? 'Cause I know that someone must be there comforting you whenever you need a friend. I'ma make you mine. Give me some time. I'ma surely make you move. It may be long, but not forever. It's when I get myself together. Whoa. See, I love you, baby. Oh, it's a love. What am I longing for? My baby to love me more. What am I longing for? She didn't know it would come back. He died from the further. And I would be the she said, help me, oh Lord, I want you to the sky. And then she heard what you like. vampire, them will sneak up in. Watch out for the big time crocos, so you say that them's fun. I bring in the crack and the coke, figure wash up the youth. And I tell you what I wanna do. But you're next year. Whoa. And I tell you what I wanna do. But you're next year. God just bless me. No wicked heart can test me. No matter what they try. To the east side, Babylon blessed never cease. Yeah. Empire still I see, I never see the judgment. No wicked on me. So get to you, beloved. Open up your eyes, because the sound of judge of love. No wicked heart can touch, no matter what they try. Oh, my fans are General's rockin'. Yeah. Anybody smoke tree? I mean, sometimes I give it fire. Burning on the ice cream, I get it to my head. Burning marijuana when it good, you give it. We burn on the ice cream, I get it to my head. Sometimes I bake it, sometimes I steak. But anyway, I give it to Bridget on my sister. Healing of the nation, Babylon, they know. They keep it up and then they destroy. They rip it up and take it for a gun. It's the healing of the nation, getting it from the healing of the burning marijuana from the good. It gives it. Jenna Roach back in. Yeah. Boy. For you know about true struggles. No. I want to listen to one. Yeah. Behind this prison wall, doing my business and doing my time. I'm spending my restless nights, vision and faces. Here we go. Prisoner of red roses, liberty it makes me mad. Wish that Jah could come and take us back in. 'Cause I swear I can be a better man. I swear only you can understand. And the faith in me to set me free, reflection. And the faith in me to set me free. Na 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 na.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Jenna Roots Band. Give it up for the Jenna Roots Band. You could do better than that, ladies and gentlemen. Each and every Thursday night, right here on stage, the most touring, the most excited band. But before you leave, don't go nowhere. Take back your seat. You came here tonight to see an artist, and the artist it is. You're not going to go undone because we promise you something, and we're going to ask everyone to stay in course. What we promise is what we deliver. This gentleman is no stranger to stage. He has performed in every arena. He has performed on every stage. New York City, Queens, are you ready to see this artist? Welcome on stage. Welcome on stage, ladies and gentlemen. The artist, the performer. He came in earlier on JetBlue. And of course, transfer on a land by Pasha. Inside of Queens Rolls Royce from IRA FM, New York City, Sands, give it up for Nardo Ranks.
Yes. Okay, hold on there. Alright, me have to introduce myself officially. Because a long time the people them not see me live in a Queens, okay? Well, for those who know me, hi. For those who don't, my name is Nardo Ranks, aka Junkro. Who does that? Alright, well, guess what? You see right now, we never do no rehearsal or none, but more want to give me the bam bam rhythm. Right? You have that, alright. Alright, here what? Big up yourself, Jawise, think we not see you now. Alright, hold on there. Enough respect to the promoter and thing. Alright, hear this. Them song here, we're going to take you back in the 90s. Alright, cause them say a 90s Thursday. So run it. Every entertainer in the house. Boy, too much want and tell the girl them about browning. All of the girls them gonna shop for gonna bleach out them skin. You ready? All of the girls them when they rub. You ready? Natural people. And them a bleach out them skin. Them a bleach, feel look like. Hold on there. Level it. A limited space, you know. A limited space, so we have to just keep it. Alright, work with me. And them a bleach out them skin. Them a bleach, feel look like a browning. Them a bleach, and them a bleach out them skin. Them a bleach, feel look like a browning. Oh man, me and you, cause you know bleach out them skin. You know you don't can feel look like a browning. Me and you, cause you yo, unlimited space me have, you know. Alright, we have a work. And them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Feel look like a browning, them a bleach. And them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Watch you know, woman me and you, cause you no bleach out your skin. You know use no chemical, feel look like no browning. I mean and you, cause you no bleach out your skin. You know use no chemical. Watch out. 90% of the girl, them join the system. Every girl nowadays, them want brown skin. True Buju Banton, tell them about the browning. Tell them say them want the color of the pumpkin. Some of the girl, them want say them want the comet skin. So them use the chemical and then them fuck up them skin. Run out of some of the my brown skin. My God, what a thing. Some girl and them a bleach. Them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach. Them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. Level. One black girl, cause you run the place. Look how you're nicer with your beautiful face. True, you're not brown, that is no disgrace. Tell them black girl, now what them win the race. Some a bleach, and I bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a browning, them a bleach. And them a bleach out them skin, them a... One drop, one drop. This little girl from St. Catherine. One time you know the girl, she dark and slim. Now she get fat and she have brown skin. Me say wait a little bit, you did that a foreign. She said no, none of the wrongs the chemical be using. It be really use and turn brown. She a bleach and a bleach out and... Hold on. Run it, see me, level it. Cause that song they want to know it already. Here walk now. Play it level. You see when me do that song there, I was for the woman them. Cause the woman them mostly did a rub. Alright? Cause me come here to talk up the things them tonight. You know? But you see right now, at Jamaica, the man them are out bleach the woman them. Real talk. And you see through that, me have a style for the man them. We are out bleach the woman them. So I want to just listen to this. Level. Level. Alright? Listen now. Are you ready? For the boy them, we are out bleach the woman them. Listen. Some boy with them woman now, them a run race. And them a fight over bathroom space. 3 hours in the bathroom, a bleach out them face. Looking at it thing and... Hold on, hold on. Level, come on to hear the lyrics, you know. Run it now. Just bounce, yeah, but play it level, come on, them hear the... Alright, listen. Some man with them woman now, them a run race. And them a fight over bathroom space. 3 hours in the bathroom, a bleach out them face. Looking at the thing and that a big disgrace. Some boy say them a tug. And them a move like them bug. Chemical with the boy, them a use rub. Rub? Yes, and then them step in at the club. Sip them champagne out a glass, not more. But one time them black like a black jug. Now them get white like a polar bear. Cough, cough, cough. 10 minutes to now, we got laugh. Listen, 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 listen. Some man say them a talk and them a move like them bug. Chemical with the boy, them a use rub. Rub? Yes, and then them step in at the club. Sip them champagne out a glass, not more. But one time them black like a black jug. Now them get white like a polar bear cup. Come tell me the truth now we got love. If them the little thing that make you cuss bad word. Won't take the facial now with all mud. Chemical peel and scrub. Some boy with them woman now them a run race. And them a fight over bathroom. 3 hours in the bathroom and bleach on them. Listen, listen, listen. Crowd of people in the area. Hold on, level. Listen, listen to that verse there. Listen, cause we not in a rush. Crowd of people in the area. One time gone you're looking at the hairdresser. Woman alone you see a wait for get taken care of. Now X amount of man you see each up under the dryer. Get them manicure and I get them hair color. Like this little shatter with me no name Trevor. One time the boy skin black like piece of rubber. Now him get white and him look like flour. Him favor rose. With him woman now him a run race. And him a fight over. Level again. Here you see, 2 players and Chaka Demus couldn't make it tonight. Them asked me to do something for them. Here where them asked me to do. Them asked me to tell you something. You know what here where them asked me to tell you no? Listen. Know this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her face is like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxi, you would have said, I don't know what I know, cause no. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Hold on. You must not familiar with that one there. But listen me. Me know say you know that one you know. Hold on. You want to help me now. Cause I work with it now. We come for nice on the place. Mr. Toots Ebert couldn't make it tonight. And he asked me to deliver the message of Uno. Feel. Here where he asked me to say Uno. Want you to know that I am the man who will fight for the rights and not the wrong. Saying this and saying that, going here and going there. Soon you will find out the man I'm supposed to be. You know bleach out the skin, you know chemical. Thank you. Alright. You know the Rockers Island rhythm? Banana. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Hold on. Level it. Alright, here we are. You see that song, yeah? That song here originally done by me and Cocoa Tea, right? Cocoa Tea not there tonight. So me I beg you to help me do Cocoa Tea part. You don't know this song, you know. Me don't know this song, you know. So just help me do Cocoa Tea part. Alright? When you ready? Help me. Listen. The first time the youth them say you learn a trade art. And don't you turn. I know him gone. Him never want go. I know him gone. Him never want go. That's why me on the like Rockers Island. Me on the like Rockers Island. Me on the like Rockers Island. Me on the like. Watch out. Some man been to Rockers Island now for the first time, man. Look at them stickers, no one said that I'm mine. And boy run a back and I'll watch you behind, but them can't rap with yard, man. None of the time, and the man them mean Rasta know them no kind. Talking to the youth, them on the front line. Look at 9 to 5 and everything will be fine. Cause me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me level. First place you go and me say at the precinct. After that you gonna central booking. They saw them do all interrogated like the picture taking. Fingerprinting. When you go to the gate you look up in the ceiling. And right there so them get the bad feeling. And them start to bawl and them start to crying. When them know say the sentence begin. Cause me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like Rockers Island. Me and I like. Help me again. The first time the youth them say youth learn a trade art. And don't you turn your. I know him gone. Him never want go. I know him gone. Him never want go. That's why no like Rockers Island. Me, no like. Read it. Thank you. Yes, massive car. You know, say a Thursday. See, and this is 90s Thursday, as them say, alright? And a nice, real nice of the place. Here more you do, more you give me the giggy rhythm. The giggy rhythm there. Boop, 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 boom, boop, boop. Level. All right, here we are. Yeah. Hold on. We have to do the work first, because we know see enough artists in our place and thing. All right, here we are. You see, tonight, I come to talk of the things then. Because I want to know, say, you see me? Me's an artist we deal with social commentary. Alright? I'm here to tell you know where I'm going. Level it. Because remember me bring under the bleach, you know. So I'm going to tell you know where I'm going now. You see the latest thing where I'm going now? You have the woman them. I pump up them ass. I buy ass. We come for talk of the things them tonight. Here what? Hold on. Level it. We no mind, you know. But I just one thing me I tell you now. If you don't go and buy the house, don't go to the aftermarket place. Go to a real plastic surgeon. Because we know we end up in a problem. You hear that? Alright? So you see through that? Them lyrics are reality, you know. Level. Are things we are going now. Real thing. So you see through that, we want to listen. Alright? Well then, listen. Woman them a pump up. One time them body flat, but now it get plump up. Woman them a pump up. And when them walk past me see the body that jump up. Woman them a flare up. The Brazilian butt lift that them a wear up. Woman them a flare up. And when them walk past me two eye them a steer up. I walk go with Tanisha. Last month me see her body flat like a pizza. This month when she reach her two body jaw them a jerk like a speaker. So me allow Tanisha. Hold on, level. I want to listen, you know, level. A social commentary we deal with. Reality. And a real thing we are going. Listen. Woman them a pump up. One time them body flat, but now it get plump up. Woman them a pump up. And when them walk past me see the body to jump up. Woman them a flare up. The Brazilian butt lift that them a wear up. Woman them a flare up. And when them walk past me two eye them a steer up. I walk on with Tanisha. Last month me see her body flat like a pizza. This month when she reach her two body jaw them a jerk like a speaker. So me allow Tanisha. Tell me what go on now you get a makeover. She said John come closer. The Brazilian butt lift it taking over. It makes you act like a poser. Hold on. Let me tell you. Woman, yeah, real thing we are going, you know. Here, ladies, hold on, level. Me not knock the lady them, you know, but me just a beg you know. If you not go do the buy body, you go to the real plastic surgeon. Don't go to the aftermarket place where people do it in hotel room and all of that. Because you know we get in a problem, alright? Listen now. Woman them a pump up. One time them body flat, but now it get plump up. Woman them a pump up. And when them walk past me see them body to jump up. Woman them a flare up. The Brazilian butt lift that them a wear up, woman them a flare up. And when them walk past me too, watch out. Say she already know, she have a pretty face, certain thing on her body. She want to rearrange, good with the hip, but she want a small waist. So she suck out some of the fat and put in at the right place. Hold on, wait now. Listen. She want a body like Kim Kardashian. Hold on now, listen up. She want a body like Kim Kardashian, Amber Rose, who have a bigger one, Nicki Minaj, Trinidadian, Iggy Azalea as the Australian. Every girl want a piece of the action. If them body flat, like them can't function. So them have a personal plastic surgeon. Every girl want a piece of the action. Oh man. Alright, hold on. Sure. Before me have some only for artists brethren in the place, you know. And me not selfish. So we have to call them in. But before me call them, me have to bring them back in a time. Yeah. You see that song here where me have to do? That song here named Original Brrrr. Yeah. And me have to tell you the way level. I'm going to tell you what brrr mean. Because enough people don't know what brrr mean. Thank you, my brother. Brrr is a Jamaican slang. It means on the move. Let me give you an example. You see all of the men that will have more than one woman. Say for instance, you come in here tonight with your side woman. And when you come in here, you come buck up on your wife. You just turn around and brrr through the door. Yeah. So run it. No. A general roots and nado. You are going on. This is one your name original. Everybody come and follow me. Say, this is one your name original. Everybody come on. It name woman, if you love me, please let me know. But if you don't love me, let me go now. Woman, if you love me, please let me know. But if you don't love me, let me go now. No discussion name, I'm Mario. From the devil, there are pain and sorrow. And every day we just a fight over. She run, come on, hold on, mommy. Me I think you are one link for them. Run over station and she run go fi. And then them run, come and charge me fi. Go to the judge and say, go where you become me know you jump up. We don't know why you name now. So, woman, if you love me, please let me know. But if you don't love me, let me go. Woman, if you love me, please let me know. But if you don't, never. The same girl named Maria. For stepfather, walk her eso. For her mother, she walk her creamo. She take drugs, she get borrow. One use a gun and blow me marrow. One take me for beggar's barrow. Beg today and not give back tomorrow. So, man, if you love me, please let me know. Level. Alright, before me call on the brethren, me just give a last piece of thing, because I don't have to know where I'm going, you know. Level. Yes, Mr. Wayne Paul, think me not see you know. Wayne Paul, level. You want now. You see, the other day, me get up and me start act crazy. And my girl think me that get mad, see? So she carry me go to the psychiatrist and them try to diagnose me, but them not find nothing. So them come to the conclusion, say me musically mad and me can't cure. Them say me incurable. So through that, me build a style. Yeah. But me ever tell you how the style go. You have to watch. Hold on, level. You have to watch the facial expression if you know how mad the style is, okay? So just pay attention. Pay it level. We call this the incurable, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready, feet? Yeah. The incurable. The incurable. The incurable. Sure. Hold on, one more time. Level. Hold on, sit ya, yeah man, that one there, you're dead. Alright, hold your belly. Watch this. Sit ya again. Just watch the facial expression. Listen, the incurable. The incurable. The incurable. Sure. Yo, toughest, how are you there? Toughest. Yo. Stick up in, come in. Hold on there, level. Cause I want my brother this, you know. Them man here, we are on the road. We are Johnny P from in the 90s. These are the toughest. So toughest, make them hear you. Good night, the beautiful people. Hold on, cut. Good night. How are you feeling? Alright, hold on now. My friend just give it to the woman them a while ago. So the woman them a pump up. Yeah, and I showed her. But me have to defend back the woman them now. No, me have to defend back the woman them now. Alright, watch out. Some man dirty. Them dirty. So don't every day and I chat girl picking it who look good from who look sexy. But when them a look at woman, them a sweet mouth Charlie. But when they get the signal, the woman she's sorry. Them walk all boat and I tell everybody. Tell it to Tony, I tell it to Mikey. How they set it, how they stop it, how they juke it, and how they rub it. But the figure them not talk when them a suck it. No, sir! The can't bother topic, John here. Topic. Hold on, one more. Hold on, come on, full of lyrics, you know. Me, full of lyrics. Hold on. Look. Alright. You see, true, me love Punani. You don't know what happened to me? Eh? Some woman not easy. Well, I don't want to take it anywhere them feel on it. Woman not easy. Well, I don't want to take it anywhere them feel on it. Me talking about a girl by the name of Bunsi. Girl originate from down in the country. So one night me put the little girl at one party. As the girl see me, the girl start to call me. Come here young man, don't tell you name Tuffy. Don't tell you the true name Duppy about me. As me could not tell her yes, the woman grab on for me. Fling me in a corner, start to water bumpy. Then I will have a nice thing how she start to tell me. Tell me something Tuffy. Me not easy. Tonight this is what I want you promise to me. You go follow me, go home, me cause me afraid of Duppy. And before me reach me yard, me have to pass a cemetery. So me never know say you trick the girl that trick me. So me big up me chest and me not afraid of Duppy. I walk down the road big bad and bossy. As me reach up near, figure past the cemetery. Me I go feel when the woman grab on for me before she could have said nothing. They start kiss me. I suck up me tongue, I suck it like a sweetie. Fling me down on the tongue, now start to strip me. Me say tell me something woman, but you not easy. You mean to tell me say you want it in the cemetery? Tell me something woman, you not afraid of Duppy. She said set up your mouth, that's a long time story. When me used to hear from grandma and me old granddaddy. So me fly and pan it like a fling agony. Me no want the woman text me a run from Puni. So me fly and pan it start to fling agony. But hold on. So me fly and pan it start to fling agony. Me no want the woman text me a run from Puni. But all of a sudden something lick me. When me jump up was a old lady. No having no teeth and a smile with me. Me say Jesus Christ, now I want this pan me. Same time the Duppy woman start to argue with me. She say you know your rank boy and your feisty. Imagine Pantaban 2 me come and do it like me see. You know must expect me want to feel horny. When you do it with Chile, you have to do it with me. You could have run in here tonight, you know. Get your Duppy, come in, Duppy. Yo, Neil, stick up in. Hold on, stick up in, come in. Hold on. Let me introduce you officially. I wanna win this to stick up in. See, make the people them know say you win.
Yes, so stick up in. We have to get it in.
Ready, man, get the shoes and my things and before me start. Get the shoes and my something, man. Hold it. You hear that? This one called Girl Thief. All the man with teeth a lot of girls in my son on. Girl Thief, I make me son found out there, you know. Girl Thief, my son up. Oh, Girl Thief, you know, watching out there with the people, them, with the man, the woman, my son up. Girl Thief, I love girl, my thief, I love girl, my thief, Love girl, my thief, Love girl, my thief, man, I wife up him girl and feel so she not get wet. Him and I come, but I mean I sneak wet. Me love till me weak, yeah. Me not fi sweet up when me and girl meet up. You surprised that when me tell her she get up. Before the night done she get beat up. Me never hold up on a gun point. Me never hold up on a knife point. I just see right word me find. I just see right word me find. Meet her after 8, even her after 9. Why material and no contact? Alright then, inna me double, y'all give me trouble. I make me walk, I make hear them a wobble too. Inna me double, y'all give me trouble. I make me walk, I make hear them a wobble too. So me back inna me double bed. Y'all is the most run drop on the cocky head. Sing it like say you are the Mac DJ. Me know you not do any way. She a do it, you know, me never like it. She got me seat back and bite it. Top lip, bottom lip, she got me sandwich up in just speak all the friend type for language. Who's a hot to me, check up the bottom jaw. It's a roll of it. So you walking on me double, call I give it. I wait things them next year. You know what I mean? You know me double. There you go. You're real drunk right now. Stop going like you want, take on my show. You forget say it's my show. Alright, we have one more youth. Topic, how are you there? Topic. Cause we not kill champion, you know, we raise them. You understand? Cause we are forward, hold on Topic, you good. We are forward from Wayne Wonder days. Spragga Benz, the whole away. Big up the youth like TC. You see them youth here MC show from in the 80s. And you stick with it. Yeah man, TC, the girl of cup of tea. Come in, Topic. Topic. You from the tropic. Make the people them hear it.
Topics around. Topics no boy can't take for no clown. You see that one here? For the parents them. Listen, this is how me live my life. My parents, mama grow me right. Poverty me see that in my eyesight. Kindness me know say that is right. Listen, when me come home from school, mama make sure say me food is cool. Daddy check my back for every school tool. Homework, me have to get that done. Later, me can have some fun. Play with my friend till sun come down. Elder, me have to give respect. Listen, pull it up again, brother.
Alright, hold on. Topic, enough respect. Give. Alright, here one, hold on. You see before me leave, me have to tell you no what I go on. Alright, what you say? You can DJ? Alright, that girl that says she want bust a tune. Let me hear you. Listen me, hold on. Level. Listen me. I don't know you from Adams. I don't know you from a can of paint. Alright, so don't disappoint me. Do you think I will give people break?
What you don't know for Punana reading? Me a tell a seminar, make no gal come kiss up on my jaw. So come with tongue like them a subscribe. Play with my best like them a do it hard. No, me a tell a seminar, make no gal come kiss up on my jaw.
Hold on. Yo. Me think you're a real DJ. How are you run, bro? Hold on, alright. Make she go on. Watch out, run the punani rhythm. Hold on. She do her thing. Level it, run it same way, but level it, play it level. Alright. All of the man them will love pum pum. Make a hear no say ra ra. Cause me not tell a lie, me love punani bad. Level. All of the girls them with tight pum pum, make a hear no say ra. Rascal out. Okay. Only one. Alright, level. I hear you. Yeah. Level. Listen to the lyrics here now. That one your name, boom, boom. When me say that one your name, that one your name. When me say that one your name, help me now. That one your name. When me say that one your name, all girls with tight, all man we love. Level. 7 wise men with knowledge so fine created the pum pum to their design. First was a butcher, Mr. Smart with wit. Using a knife, he gave it a split. Second was a carpenter, strong and bold. With a hammer and a chisel, gave it a hole. Third was a tailor, tall and thin. Used some red velvet and line it within. Fourth was a hunter, short and stout. Used some phosphor and line it without. Fifth was a fisherman, nasty no hell. Drop a fish in there and give it a smell. Six was a preacher, them call him McHale and well, listen, run it, see me and keep it level. Just listen. That one your name, boom, boom. When me say that one your name, all girls with tight, all man we love. That one your name. When me say that one your name, all girls with tight, all man we love. Listen on level. 7 wise men with knowledge so fine created the pum pum to their design. First was a butcher, Mr. Smart with wit. Using a knife, he gave it a split. Second was a carpenter, strong and bold. With a hammer and a chisel, gave it a hole. Third was a tailor, tall and thin. Used some red velvet and line it within. Fourth was a hunter, short and stout. Used some phosphor and line it without. Fifth was a fisherman, nasty no hell. Drop a fish in there and give it a smell. Sixth was a preacher, them call him Mackie. Touch it, bless it, then in same can pee. Last came a sailor, dirty little run. Rum it and stab it and call it a pun. I wanna name boom, boom. Alright, love you now. Alright, hold on.
Nadarats. Watch out about 90s. Are you there?
Yeah.
The whole of there from Dan One Studio. The whole of it.
Yeah.
People never know one to it.
Yeah.
Nadarats. You dropped that Bleach.
Yeah.
Which is one of your favorites. One of the most popular. But now when you dropped the number 2nd most popular song you did in the 90s. But Mash Up Jamaica. After the Bleach. Before the Bleach. You know better about.
Alright. Yeah, but me DJ Bleach already, you know. Alright, here we are going to go on now. Run the same rhythm. Let me tell you what I go on. Alright, before me leave. Who see the movie name Jamaican Mafia? Who see the movie name Jamaican Mafia? Well, level. I'm here, level. I'm here the villain tonight. I mean them called John Crow. I'm here with the red mohawk. And I kill people. So you see through that level. Let me go now a piece of that. With the catchphrase. Listen. Here we go now. Latest talk where the world are endorse. Jamaican Mafia soldier are the boss. Jam coming in me hotter than pepper sauce. Now the fussy them get me cross. Well, we no watch them now with them big tough. When we a step through fussy have a mass. Lyrically kill them fast. But my thing we now endorse. Well, who does that? Who does that? Smiling at your face say that you and them a friend. Who does that? Who does that? Behind your back them want see you end. Who does that? Who does that? Fire upon the man them we murder children. Who does that? Who does that?
Me and them, if I see them, we could have never friend. One thing we know, can't trust people. Smiling at your face and them heart is evil. That's why John Gunner left the eagle. Bang, 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 through the eye of a eagle. Execution, man, a pass martial law, man, a dead. Blood a spill at the place, I smell raw. Bill me some coffee, no undertaker. For all of the fussy who a kill grandma. Who does that? Who does that? Love or not? Just check me out. Now the ranks is everywhere. Google me. Sure. Okay, hold on. One more artist there. We couldn't leave and not make him touch it. Rastaman, come in. Come in, Rastaman. Cause we no bias enough. You have to do your thing. Come in quick now. Your name call. Come in quick. Show the people them way out.
Yeah man, give thanks to brother. Selassie, I give thanks to hold on, brother. The one that dedicated to the brother we have built the wall. You see the brother we have built the wall? We are making music, Emily. You will tell the brother we have built the wall. Me only could afford to eat one time a day, but man get richer now. Man I eat breakfast, lunch and dinner now. Take out my mother and my father to Disney now. One used to share for 3 years, we are share for 1 year now. Invite the whole family over and kill a cow. Never you fi fight about the pop chow. Yo, you're the best man with him.
Alright, Natty, enough respect. Look out for the Ross, see? Yeah, God. Alright, love you know. Here what? Check me out. I'm gonna be in this new movie gonna release me named Made in New York. Alright? Just check it out. I'm in a web series named Informer. Go YouTube, type in Informer series, episode 1, and you will see it come up. Alright? Stay tuned. You know, now the ranks are all veteran. And we love you know. Alright? So enough respect and give thanks for coming out tonight and support. Just Google me, we now move. TC, original MC. Come say some, come close it.
Yo, people, as we stand here, we stand with the artists come all the way from the 90s, the 80s. And we show respect to the originals that stay in it, that been in it, and even when them come on stage at knowing it, they make sure touch some new licks to appreciate it. People give Nana Ranks a nice round of applause. Come on, people, give Nana Ranks a nice round of applause. Brilliant. That's what we're talking about. People, you see me and them on them, with the whole away. I come from the Dan One studio. And when I talk about Dan One studio, I talk about original 90s real.
Yeah, and I have to big up the artists them in that place. Man like many more. Richie Tech, see, Toughest, all of you, big up the youth like Pasha. And you see, before I leave, you know, I figure you know my favorite song, Louis Armstrong. It go like this. I see clouds of white, skies of blue, children happy, no one feeling blue. And I say to myself, oh what a wonderful world. And I say to myself, oh, what a wonderful world. Good night. Love you. Google me. NARDORANKS. You find me everywhere. Love you.
Nana Ranks. And no wonder them call you Janko. Janko, fly away. Nana Ranks, people. Nana Ranks. And we talk about my band. And we talk about my band. What the vocals? What we talk about Jenna Roots. What we talk about my go ahead. Alright? Jenna Roots is gonna back up. No, when I say what's back up? Jenna Roots is gonna play. No, me can't say play with. Cause I want to play with too. Jenna Roots is gonna work alongside an artist. People, the artist that they put everybody flyer. People, you ever see a flyer? What's it? Such and such and many more. You're gonna meet many more tonight. People, welcome many, many more. Oh yeah, yes. Brother TC, all the beautiful ladies, how you doing? You were seen running around with different. Special request. Oh yeah. C'est comme ça fait. Deux bonnes. None of it. You were seen running around with him again. Oh yeah. And I knew when you said you were through with him, you still care. When I thought you were mine, he gave you the same old life, and then you run around. Stop it! Hold up! Don't talk to the people that my queens are there. I don't give thanks and praise for life, said my beautiful lady scream. Run it again, you don't know. So that's it. Let's take a tip on to one. Mr. Monica, turn it up. You were seen running around with him again. Sing it. And I knew when you said you were through with him, you still care. Oh, just when I thought you were mine, he gave you the same old lies. And now you running around, I'm gonna be left with a broken heart. Oh yeah. Take it up. I guess this is where you want to stay. Oh yeah. But I much rather have you here. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, why didn't you let me know before I let myself go? Running around, I'm gonna be left with a broken heart. Yeah, bridge. Yes. To the bridge. I knew the key was taking you away. By the way, he was looking at you that day. Another love. Say, oh. Oh, nothing left for me to say. No, darling. But one day you're gonna come back to me. Yes, in someone else's arms I'm gonna be. And when you're gonna be left with a broken heart. Oh, left. One more time, yes, left with a broken heart. Thank you very much. My name is Manny Moore. I don't know, check me out. All right. Yeah, all right, I'm getting I'm not giving the Jenna Roots band no trouble. All right,
give me that now. You don't care for me at all. Good. Give it again, come on, Jesse. Second dollar rounds. You don't know my teacher. Yeah. For the ladies. You don't care for me at all. I found you only stay. You made me feel so very strong. Don't you don't want me now. I've got to vision so high. Be too late. So darling, then you go again. Hurt me in front of all my wonderful friends. I'll be good to you. Pull up, pull up. Pull up. Hold up. Hold up. Alright, next shot. I want you to give me the love bomb. Yeah, yeah, man? Give me the love bomb, man. Come on, ladies, them there, see?
People, when TC come out, we take it to a different level because President Sean and kind of say, TC, do what you want to do. So you see, like the biggest artist in the world, the on stage, many more. As you see Flyer say, and many more, and this is many more. Now we're gonna make the greatest bassist. We'll come out a short time in Jamaica. Derek Barnett, I'm gonna join the crew. Many more talk to them.
Yes, well, TC, watch this. Me and the smallest artist, my general, not the biggest artist. Okay? You don't know we're humble, see? Anyway, love bump, Mr. Barnett. You don't know, for the ladies. See if you remember them style there. Love bump for them. Oh, yeah. Oh. Remember this? Lipstick on my collar, pull that tail on me. Lipstick on my collar, pull the tail on me. A little bit of soul will wash away that lipstick from my face. A little bit of woo. Give me a hand now. Oh yeah. Lipstick on my collar, told that tail on me. Lipstick on my collar, told the tail on me. A little bit of soap will wash away that lipstick from my face. A little bit of soap will never ever begin to take away the hurt that I feel as I go through the lonely hills. A little bit of soap will wash away my tears. I don't even know how to love you just the way you want me to. Oh, girl, say with me. But I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn to fall in love. To fall in love. To fall in love. Come on, girl. What on it? Level. Many more.
Y'all sing, and guess what? Me get jealous.
Level, listen.
Since you've been away, I've been down and low. Hold on, let me get your key good, listen. Since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. Try to understand all the things that you left me. Do you run into? Ooh, baby, I've been missing you.
Balance. Turn up now, balance. Now watch this. Balance, man. Make I remove my spectacles and look at the lovely people. Balance, look at all to the people. Balance. Now, a while ago, I'm gonna share this with the audience. It's a detrimental position they put me in a while ago, you know. Them call on a small artist like me after big northern ranks. You know, so right now I could have been in some ocean, I drown somewhere. You know what I'm saying? But I show the love of the people. You see what I say? All the people who love reggae music, make I hear say reggae music. I hope they don't mean it. Balance. They them love reggae music. All who love reggae music say reggae music. If you love reggae music, carry $5, come give me. Balance. Hold on, man. Hold on now, I'm working right now. Balance. If you love reggae music, carry $5, come give me. All who love reggae music. This is a no rebirth show, by the way. What you have to say, Matisha?
Listen, level. Alright, see you get $5. Listen. Oh me, oh my, baby girl, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, I won't tell you why. Oh me, oh my, baby girl, don't be shy. Oh me, oh my, many more. Baby girl, I love you, and I didn't treat you right, honey. No, I still love you, and our future's bright, yes. You don't tell me that you love me, but you tell all your friends, yes. Well, why don't you tell me when I'm close to you? Sing it, I can see it in your eyes. I can feel it in your move. Close to me, baby. I'm there. Watch out. Make us a brand new something wait near my true man. Tough new style of wait near my true man. When me say this style here again. Balance. Oh, don't know the song. That's it. Are you ready again? No, where I go? I just show it up. Brand new something wait near my true man. Tough new style of wait near my true man. When me say this style here again. True man, balance, sure. Hypocrite and parasite, them fit dead, that true man. Certain people, them they get fool man. Bed never really make for a big two man. Bed make for a being a man and a woman. Perfect combination like a foot and a true man. And now we are getting king up. Come on for this play and make up for your blue man. Balance. I open up pick you and pick me now. Balance. Why many more? I don't pick them up, pick you rich. Hold on, no move. Me just have to touch a little piece and give it back to you. Listen, level. Since you've been away, been down and lonely. Since you've been away, I've been missing you. Try to understand all the reasons you left me. Where were you running to? Ooh, baby, I've been missing you. Tell me many more.
Balance. Now, I'm glad I come up here, Sir Rasta. You know, say you have a song. Balance. I love that song down there and I sing the song, you know. One to the big bad song when you're in New Jersey Drive. I want to play now.
Hold on, level. Hold on, you see the song named New Jersey Drive? Alright, I'm me and Junior Demos, but Junior Demos not there. So me I go alone, I go do it. And this is a real thing. This is when we in our teenage years and I run up and down on the Jersey Turnpike. So here we tell them, New Jersey Drive. I know you want to drive up on the Jersey Turnpike. You name the New Jersey Drive. I know you want to drive up on the, watch out. After me left New York and me I go Washington. When me hit the turnpike, hit it with caution. Policeman they there wait now if you pull down someone. Especially if you look like Jamaican. You better pray to God say your papers no wrong and make sure your license in a good condition. Then at the New Jersey Drive. Watch how you want to drive up on the Jersey Turnpike. In at the New Jersey Drive. Watch how you want to drive up.
It's a brand new something wait me and my true man. Tough new style of way name a true man. When me say this style name again. Balance, when you hear what I want. So hypocrite and parasite, them fit dead a true man. Certain kind of people, them they get true man. Bed never really make fear being two man. Bed make fear being a man and a woman. Perfect combination like a foot and a shoe man. And like me a tell king now. We are done with this, me and my job for a boo man. Shopping my bed, they get it split in two man. Here comes police, but put up your two hands. Don't police right, I lie. I say your fist but you're not really human. I know if you tell I've heard of human. If they are your monkey bee, go back and zoom man. A bad man is bad. I like balance man. The sun can't nice if you don't say a true man, you know. Me bust a brand new something way near my true man. When me say this style name again, I like you know. You don't want money? You don't want money? You don't have to go sing harmony. So listen, when me say this style name again, true man, last one before me let go. When me bought them up and tell me what them going to do, man. After me not afraid to go fit them and them crew, man. Kill the whole of them, cause we no business a who, man. Who are you got dead? Hello? To go for this, them want run come soon, man. Man, don't beat them bad, this in them black and blue, man. But say them myself, we never know what they do, man. I eat that thing go on with, hello? Brand new, sit down, I love you.
TC, come in, TC. Come in, TC. You're the world's greatest MC. Alright? Yes, massive. Why me not tell a lie? I'm the first me forward in and I love the Thursday night vibes. Yeah, enough respect to each and every one. Yeah, just check me out on the internet. Google me. When you put in my name NARDORANKS or JUNKRO Junkro, you will find me. TC.
Play low. Want to attack louder rats. Want to attack many more. Want to attack toughest. Want to attack the Rasta. What are the other artists in name again? Stick up in. But no stick up in the next artist to perform. What name again? Celia. Respect. Tropics. Topic, respect. People, they came all the way from Brooklyn. They have the visa to travel to Queens, and they're here. So, on behalf of the staff and management, and we call it the showtime. We'll get to the music of playing. Fata Diamond, Jenna Roots, one love, one bless, one harmony. Pop. Fata Diamond.
Go ahead. Them a bleach, and them a bleach out them skin, them a bleach. They look like a brownie, woman me and a young look, cause you know bleach out the skin. You know chemicals, they look like a brownie. Well, for those who know me high, for those who don't, my name is Nada Rocky, a.k.a. Junko from Jamaican Mafia, the movie. And you see right now, you're watching DETV. So guess what? Keep the channel locked. And you see everybody now keep the channel locked. And one thing John Rob who does that? Man. That's jumping here, man. Yeah.
Brand new coming on, rich topic. Listen up to this one. You know? Yeah. Black people rising. Black people rising. Yard man stop fighting. That's the right thing. That's just the eyesight. You know? All of this stuff coming on. This is how I live my life. Yeah, oh, rich topic and then looking out for me this summer. Big and bad. Alright?
We are real, man. You see the money? So, no other man can come to the money. Bring it on! Pay it! We are telling you all the stuff.
So Rona, so God throw some blessings some people. And be a talent Rona, so talk to them.
Yeah. Family, you see, yes sir. What's up? New York, originality.
Yeah, we are from
What's up with one unity, one family. People, one family. People, one family. One family. One love. One. Factual love for each and every one. Peace.
Yes.
Yeah.
BETV, a psycho.
Yeah, BETV. See, big up.
And you know what?
Jamaica.
Remember, Saturday the 16th, New York City link up in a Larose, 48, White Plains Road, you see? Fashion Face Promotion.
And the big man suckers, Mr. BETV, the big up Jamaica, get. All Caribbean.
It's a real possible to kill an innocent man. Innocent man or not innocent man. Are we commissions and hypocrite men to kill an innocent man? But you know, be careful what you put in your heart. Man know your thing and man know your talk. You laugh. Be careful what you put in your heart. No, man, say that me. That's put things up in your heart. Get the one you know. BETV. It's another day. Get to you don't have no time to play. Us little rich are taking to the street. Food that we eat so we not get the feed. Yeah. What? Many more.
Party related, they know them afraid of you, see? They don't know how many they play. And we respond to them, see? Plus, see? Them just come on their way up, now them on their way down. Just to go like to them, now they come on their way down. Just to this way down. Come on, we all have to think of them flop. You one of them just done be a clown. Just on the way up, now them on the way down. Now them just feel like a kid hanging on the playground. Come on, them just give it to them. Now I'll be a crown. Yeah, you don't know what's happening.
BETV Jamaica. Bigger.
Louder from louder, you understand?
Keep it locked, sir. BETV. Keep it locked. Keep it locked. And you have everything properly. Yeah, man. Keep it locked. Just lock it.
Yes, you don't know what's yeah, Jamaica, you don't know what's the love of the city. I'm being represent, yeah. Right out of Queens, New York, you don't know what's the life of the past, the past, straight New York, see? Them you go all the way up, don't get all the way down. Just to fall like the lemon, don't get up and stay down. Just to this way down, no more we are not sitting on them club. You one of them just not be a clown, them is all the way up, now they're all the way down. Them look like a kid hanging on the playground. But when them used to give me what them people, them look on them used to smile, but no one be a frown. Yes, BETV, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's the toughest original. And these songs, what take you on the play for you one of them songs there. World them system, world them original. Tell them to big up yourself, my brother, you know what you're saying. You need Tiger and Run, you know what I do. Big up yourself, Papa San. Live. Get. Now when you see the old one, man. Hey, old boy, you don't need your monkey. Now when you see me, you can try avoid me. So understand. Uplifting. Who makes me happy with it? You cannot. No violence. Unity. Jamaica. Love you. BETV. A psycho. Yeah, BETV. See, big up.
And you know what?
Jamaica.
Remember,